Hey there, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tips and tricks for all things beauty and style. Today we have a special episode dedicated to our lovely quinceañeras out there. That's right, we'll be sharing some fabulous hair down quinceañera hairstyles that will make you feel like the princess you truly are. So grab your hairbrush, ladies, and let's dive right in. Before we jump into the hairstyles, let's quickly go over some essential tips to keep in mind when styling your hair for a quinceañera. First and foremost, make sure to start with clean, dry hair. That will help your hairstyle hold better and last throughout the celebration. Also, don't forget to apply heat protectant spray before using any hot tools to keep your hair healthy and protected. And lastly, always have a few extra bobby pins and hair ties on hand in case you need some last minute fixes. Now let's get to the fun part. Our first hairstyle is perfect for those of you who want to show off your natural locks with a touch of elegance. It's the romantic waves with floral accent look. Begin by using a curling iron to create loose, soft waves throughout your hair. Once your waves are complete, take a small section from the front and twist it towards the back, securing it with a bobby pin. Now gather the rest of your hair into a low, slightly messy bun at the nape of your neck. To add a touch of quinceañera magic, place a few delicate flowers around the bun, securing them with bobby pins. This hairstyle will make you feel like a true queen on your special day. If you are looking for a hairstyle that's chic and modern, our next option is just for you. Introducing the sleek half up, half down with embellished hair clip style. Start straightening your hair with a flat iron, ensuring it's smooth and sleek. Then divide your hair into two sections horizontally. Take the top section and secure it into a neat ponytail at the crown of your head. For an extra touch of glamour, choose a dazzling hair clip or accessory to secure the ponytail. Allow the remaining hair to cascade down, creating a gorgeous contrast between the sleekness and natural flow. This hairstyle is a perfect balance of sophistication and trendy style. Our next hairstyle is all about embracing your inner boho princess. We present to you the braided crown with loose waves look. Begin by parting your hair in the middle and creating two loose braids on either side, starting from the front and working towards the back. Once the braids are complete, gently pull them apart to create a fuller and more relaxed appearance. Secure the braids at the back of your head with bobby pins, creating a crown-like effect. Now using a curling iron, create loose waves throughout the rest of your hair, adding a touch of whimsy and romance. This hairstyle will make you feel like you stepped out of a fairy tale. Last, but certainly not the least, we have a hairstyle that exudes elegance and sophistication. It's the voluminous curls with side swept bangs style. Begin by curling your hair with a large parallel curling iron to create voluminous curls from the mid-lengths to the ends. Once your curls have cooled, gently comb through them with your fingers to create soft, cascading waves. Now take a small section of the hair from the front and sweep it to the side, creating a gorgeous side-swept bang effect. Secure the hair behind your ear with a delicate hairpin or a sparkly accessory for that extra touch of glam. This hairstyle with undoubtedly trend heads make you feel like the ballet of the ball. And there you have it, our lovely quinceañeras, stunning hair down quinceañera hairstyle to make you look and feel absolutely breathtaking on your special day. Remember to practice these styles beforehand to ensure you achieve the desired results. We hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and style content. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous.